We have a large dent in the quarter panel of a Tesla Model 3 today. This is a pretty tough repair to do for a number of reasons. Number one, it's in this body line through here, so that always makes it a little bit more challenging to repair. Number two, it actually pushed in this edge a little bit. I'm trying to show you. I'm not sure how good it's going to show up in camera, but the actual edge of the panel is pushed in. So a couple of things working against me, but we're going to power through, and I'm confident that this one's going to come out looking really good. So stay tuned and let you see a little bit about our process and show you what you can expect with this type of repair process. Thanks for watching. All right, we got this Tesla done. So this damage came out great. Pan around and show you kind of what we're looking at here. But done in one day. Nothing was repainted. Nothing was replaced. Customer gets to keep their factory paint on their vehicle. Obviously, we didn't drill any holes or anything like that. So just took apart a whole bunch of stuff in order to access the backside. But yeah, I was actually able to get that edge out looking pretty good. That was the toughest part of the repair. This actual edge on this panel. It's just very thick metal to have to push through. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about our repair process or you'd like a quote, please feel free to reach out. You can reach out through our website. You can email us at lancasterdentremoval@gmail.com, or you can reach us at our number at 717-459-4423. Thanks again for watching. Check in next time.